Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have another bug fix for Firefox. If you're a user of the Firefox browser, there is another bug fix, the second in 2 weeks since the new version was updated 136. So if you go into Firefox, upper right corner hamburger menu, help, and about Firefox, it'll be pushed to 136.0.2. Now, the first bug fix was fixing a problem with cookies, and the fix wasn't complete. There's still some problems there. So this kind of completes the total fix about the cookies and the way they are handled on the browser. What it also fixes is a password prompt that just appears randomly. Another one that is fixed is that some of the buttons that appear on some dark background websites, sometimes the contrast isn't high enough so you can't really see what's there. So these are some of the fixes. And one particular fix that was mentioned a lot in some Windows blogs that I've seen, Firefox is actually using a high CPU usage when your PC is on either the lock screen or if you have a laptop and you just close the lid, for example. Well, Firefox was stuck using high CPU levels, so this made your laptop, of course, fans run all the time. So they fixed that issue also for the browser itself. So these are the fixes. No security in here, so it's nothing important if you don't have any problems. But these are some of the reported fixes that Firefox has, or Mozilla has done on Firefox. So this, of course, if you use Firefox regularly, will update itself as you use it. But you can go and check it out if you have issues, or especially that high CPU usage problem. Update it will fix the issue. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.